Okay, Year 1, I hope you enjoyed listening to the story. Let's have a little think about the activity now. What I'd like you to do is see if you can create your own personal timeline. Look to see if you can find some photos of yourself when you were a baby. Have a good look at them. Compare these photos to how you look now. Look at these photos of my children. This is James as a baby. This is James now. Now he is 9. Look how big he has grown. Here is Eleanor. This is what Eleanor looked like when she was a tiny baby. This is what Eleanor looks like now. Now she's 11. Look at the difference between the photographs. Here are some examples of timelines that other children have made. You can see that they have used photographs taken of themselves at different times in their lives. They've also written on the year when those photographs were taken. That's a really good way of making a timeline. If you would like to create your own timeline using photographs, that would be great. If you prefer and you would just like to look at photographs of yourself when you were younger, then that's fine too. I'll leave it up to you to choose which one you'd rather do. Okay, Year 1, have fun.